everyone! Today we're going to learn about pizza and Italian food. Let's learn together! Yummy! Delicious! Tiramisu! Oh, tiramisu! Delicious! Gelato! Gelato! Yummy! Ha ha ha!
Calzone.
Calzone! Calzone! Excellent! Basil! 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 Excellent! Spaghetti! Spaghetti! Excellent! Ravioli! Ravioli! Repeat after me. Fettuccine! Fettuccine! Repeat after me. Lasagna! Lasagna! So delicious! Mozzarella! Mozzarella! So yummy! Pizza! Pizza! Repeat after me. Yummy! Ha 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 ha! Risotto! Risotto! Great job! Tomato sauce! Tomato sauce! Repeat after me. Bruschetta! Bruschetta! So yummy!
Gnocchi! Gnocchi! Wonderful!
Olive oil! Olive oil! Wonderful! Meatballs!
Meatballs!
Meatballs! Repeat after me. Panna cotta! Panna cotta! Panna cotta! Wonderful! Garlic bread! Garlic bread! So delicious! Pizza cutter! Pizza cutter! Great job! Rolling pin! Whoa! Rolling pin! Wonderful! Pizza oven! Pizza oven! Excellent! Ding!
Penne! Penne! Great job!
Calzone! Calzone! Excellent! Chef hat! Chef hat! Repeat after me. Italian restaurant! Italian restaurant! Fantastic! Fantastic! You learned 25 Italian food words today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and ring the bell. See you next time!
Toes and count out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great job, friends. You got the trick. Everybody sing, everybody clap. Let's learn together. Let's learn together. Everybody sing, everybody clap. Woo-hoo, yeah, we got it together. Red, blue, yellow, circle, square, triangle. Say them slow, then say them quicker.
sparkle boom.